What's up, my anomalous crew? How y'all doing today? Y'all looking real good. Y'all looking real sexy today. I see y'all on the other side of the camera looking good. Hey. Okay, anyway, on this quarantine long day, this is what, day 57? I decided to do a quarantine skin routine video because I haven't been going outside or wearing makeup or in the atmosphere of the earth. My skin routine is a little bit different, a little bit more simplistic. I don't really call it a skin routine. I'm trying to get out of saying that word because nothing should be a routine, especially with your body. Your body needs variety because your body goes through different feelings, it goes through different emotions, it goes through different processes, and it never needs the same thing. It's always needing something different other than water. I'm trying to get rid of these dark marks on my face as well as some of my chin, and that's about it. I'm going to add a little bit of a whoop-de-doo in there for you guys because I'm going to add lemon and sugar to my routine. Usually I would just use a scrubbing brush that's really soft bristled, but today I'm going to use a dupe for that brush to even out the skin tone. So if you don't know, lemon and sugar evens out your skin tone and it makes it so that your skin complexion is really nice, clear, and bright. So what I do is I just simply cut an end of a lemon. As you can see, it is just a slight bit of citrus there in the middle, and then I have sugar in a bowl, and what I do is I just go in with the end of my lemon and I simply just move it around in the sugar, and there you go. You got lemon on your, you got sugar on your lemon. After I do the sugar on the lemon, I take my Cetaphil, which I would use either way if I was doing the sugar on the lemon or if I was doing the soft bristled brush. You just take a little bit of Cetaphil, pour it on there. Cetaphil is a really good cleanser though if you, oh my god. So, obviously I took too much, but you go in and you're just scrubbing like it's a brush. And I know a lot of people say they hate Cetaphil because it's not one of those super sudding face washes because it makes it feel like it's working more, but really Cetaphil is just that nice soft one and done. Like, it gets the job done, it cleanses, and the pH balance is closer to the skin, so it's not really acidic or alkaline. It's nice and neutral. Get in the crevice of that nose, lips, do your lip scrub while you at it. And since I've been moving towards more natural products, more pH neutral balanced products, I've noticed a difference in my skin altogether. It's smoother, it's shinier, and it's not so like dull and just dry all the time. It's actually improving, enhancing. So I'm just rubbing. You really don't have to rub this much, but I just love how it feels. So I just take it around a few times until I feel like, you know, okay, that's enough. My background is birthday themed because my sister just had a birthday and my birthday's about to come up, so why not just leave the decorations up? Like, it only makes sense. So the next step to this process is taking this off of your face, and then we're gonna do a mask next. So I have a nice warm towel and we're just gonna wipe that product off. And as I was talking about just doing a more simple skin routine, that goes for the temperature as well. We want to go more warm to lukewarm, which is going to open our pores a little bit, but it's not going to be too hot to where it's just going to dry out our pores. So yeah, temperature also matters in the skin routine because you just never want your temperature too hot. And if you do a steam towel, you want to make sure that you're ensuring moisture and you're not letting that steam sit on your skin for too long because it will dry you out. And then especially if you don't go in with the moisturizer after, and if it's especially not a good moisturizer, you're going to see that your skin becomes very problematic. So that's why I just go in with a warm to like hot but not too hot towel and just hit those spots. So yes, we still have a little bit of residue. As you can see, like a little bit of shiny film on my face. But we're going to get that off, as well as any pulp from the lemon that we have on our face as well after the mask. But residue is good. You want to leave a little bit of that lemon on because our mask is a honey glow mask. So that honey and that lemon is going to combine together to also create a nice, shiny, vibrant, and even skin tone for us. So I am using the Shea Moisture Honey Glow Getter Mask. And it looks like that, Go Getter Honey Mask. And this is a very like milky, silky consistency. Like, yeah. So I just go right in with my hands and I just rub it in like so. Make sure I get right under my eyes because you want your under eyes to be nice and bright too. With this, I have used it a couple times where it's just, you know, simmering and I'm just going about my day. You can see me doing my hair and I'll link the video right here. But in that video, I did have the mask on and I was just letting it sit while I was doing my hair. But when you do let it sit, it just dries and it becomes sticky. So I wouldn't So because it's sticky, I know some masks you are like totally able to sleep in, but this one I wouldn't, just because it's going to be sticking to the pillow, sticking to your arm, whatever you lay on it sticks to. So this is how the mask is looking after 6 minutes. And what I'm going to do now is just take another towel and I'm going to just put warm water on it again and wipe it off for y'all. If you're at home though, you can just get under the sink and then just splash, splash, splash. I'm also going to splash, 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 but I just wanted to show y'all what my skin was looking like right after the mask so you guys can see kind of before and afters. I just want to keep it very applicable for y'all. So I have my warm rag and I'm just going to go over the mask and take it off. And it is not all the way dry, so it's really easy just to take right off. And I just take it around. So now what I'm going to do off camera is just get the spots that I may have missed, and I'm just going to get some water and splash it on my face and rinse my face nice and thoroughly. So now I have rinsed my face nice and thoroughly. You see that drip drop? You see it? You see it? And as you can see, I still have that brightness in my skin, so you can see when the product is off, the brightness is still there. So now I'm just taking a dry napkin in my case, but you can use a dry towel or whatever dry. And you want to just simply pat. Like I said, keeping it gentle. Man, thumbs up if you like self-care. Like, time to yourself is so important. And it feels so good. So now that we have our skin patted dry, we're just gonna go in with our moisturizer. And if y'all are not hip to this in my hair videos that I have posted, my hair growth videos and my natural hair videos, get hip to it now. This is my vitamin E oil and black seed oil, and this is by Morrow. Yeah, Silk by Morrow. And I got this from Target. Yes, but I will leave a link below where you can get some from. But this, oh my gosh, 5 sprays, rub it in your hands, and just get it into your skin, eyebrows, eyelashes is really good for just your hair and your skin. So I like to get in my eyelashes and my eyebrows real good because I've seen a lot of growth in my eyebrows and eyelashes while I have been using this product, as well as I use it at night in my nighttime skin routine video, because when I wake up in the morning after using this product, I can feel just big difference in my skin. If you don't know, when you go to sleep, that's when your skin has time to rest, rejuvenate, do what it has to do while you're asleep. So when you're sleeping, your skin cells go through processes, replications, die off. Your skin is just, your whole body is really just rejuvenating itself for the morning time. So while you're asleep, that's an important time to put on product that will help your skin rejuvenate. So I can really notice a big difference when I wake up in the morning. My skin, after using the oil at night, it's so soft and my skin is just really bright. Like sometimes I just don't even be wanting to wash it again because I just be like, I like the glow I got right here, like. But I wash it anyway, and I don't know, this oil just is amazing. This ends the skin routine video. This is my skin routine quarantine video, and yeah, we'll see how my skin does and how long it stays like this, because I still do makeup some days, still do makeup videos, and when I'm doing different things like that, or I'm going outside, or something happens where I break out or get like a scar or something of that nature, then my skin routine changes, because then I have to do what is best for my problems that I have with my skin. So yeah, just keep watching. I got some good things coming for you guys, and you guys will not regret it. That's why you need to subscribe now, because y'all are just gonna miss it if you don't. And really, if you don't put your notifications on and your reminders, you really gonna miss it. So what are y'all doing? Buckle down. Subscribe now. Share this video. If you share with one person, that one person shares with one person, that one person shares with one person. Exactly. So come on now, what are you doing? That is the end of this video. I'm gonna stop talking. Remember, stay anomalous.